Here we will learn how to create account in GitHub and installation of GitHub Desktop version and link GitHub account with it, so that you can get your repositories easily in the desktop version. 1. Go and search github.com in the browser. You will get its official site. Click on it. The site will open. If you have account already, just sign in. If not, create new account and log in into your account. GitHub Desktop version. 1. Go and search desktop.github.com in the browser. You will get its official site. 2. Download the X file according to your PC. I have already installed it, so I skip this part. Once you get installed it properly, follow the further steps. 4. Search GitHub Desktop in search bar of PC. You will get that application. 5. Open it and go to File greater than Options greater than Accounts greater than github.com. When you click on it, the desktop will direct you to your default browser. Then your account will be linked with your desktop version of GitHub. You can now create repositories here easily.